The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi is all set to launch its new upcoming smartphone called Redmi K90 Pro Max. And before the launch, the company has officially unveiled the design of the upcoming smartphone. As per the images shared by Redmi, the Redmi K90 Pro Max will feature a triple rear camera setup included with periscope telephoto lens, and there is additional sensors along with the LED flash. The rear panel of the phone also suggests the phone to house a Bose-powered loudspeaker. At the front, the phone will sport a flat display with slim bezels, and it has a hole punch cutout at the top center for selfie camera. The company has also revealed the phone to come in two color options, one with golden finish and other in denim blue color option. Apart from this, the Redmi K90 Pro Max is expected to come powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, and the phone is officially reported to debut in China on October 23rd. So as of now, that's all we know about the Redmi K90 Pro Max smartphone, and we'll come to know more details about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.